appreciate for honoring this occasion. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my sister. For many of us who are here, we know that this this Yoruba Day has been divided into two sections. We have promised to show you some aspect of our culture. We have promised to show you some of our cultural heritage, and we have been doing that since 6 p.m. And we're so happy that we're able to kill today the African time. That we were here before 6, we started by 6, and we kept to time. It's 10 o'clock. We've given it. From now on until 2 a.m., you are welcome us in the all-night Yoruba disco night, all-night party from now until 2 a.m. So, part 1, just like Sister Lady, I appreciate your coming. I thank you very much, the ambassador. We've spoken so much about today. I'm happy I'm wearing the same cap with you today. It's an honor to do that. We really appreciate you, and our mother, Mrs. Amobi, we really appreciate you being with us in our Yoruba heritage today. All of you on the high table, we recognize you. On the left side, we recognize you. My brothers and sisters, I haven't seen for years, welcome. You are welcome to join the Yoruba Union in Stockholm. This is the biggest thing this year. You will remember today, and you will say, I was glad to be there when the first Yoruba Day in Stockholm was celebrated. Thank you, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.
What